This brand is made in the USA by Research Products Corp, and the humidifiers can be purchased through their Amazon store, but their guarantee is only average when compared to other brands. The units have an onboard sensor that periodically turns on the furnace blower to sample the air and automatically turn on the humidifier if the air humidity is less than the set point. They have an outdoor temperature sensor which is used to automatically adjust the humidity set point based on the outdoor temperature. The Model 400 is a bypass flow-through unit with a 17-gallon per day capacity, while the Model 500 has a 12-gallon per day capacity and the Model 600 has a 17-gallon per day capacity. The Model 700 is fan-powered to produce an 18-gallon per day output, while the 720A model has a 21-gallon per day capacity with a recirculation valve that recycles water to deliver 3x more water across the panel. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.